Hey everyone! Welcome back to Home Decor Deco. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and tech insights. Today, we're diving into the world of advanced protection with a detailed review of Nano Defense Pro. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly is Nano Defense Pro? Well, it's a cutting-edge protective solution designed to safeguard your devices from all kinds of environmental hazards. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or even your smartwatch, Nano Defense Pro promises to offer unparalleled protection. Let's unbox this and see what we get inside. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and minimalistic, giving off a premium vibe. Inside the box, we have the Nano Defense Pro spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, and the instruction manual. Now, let's talk about the technology behind Nano Defense Pro. This product uses nanotechnology to create an invisible, ultra-thin layer on the surface of your device. This layer is water-repellent, scratch-resistant, and even reduces fingerprints, making your device look and feel brand new for longer. Applying Nano Defense Pro is super easy. All you need to do is spray a small amount on the included microfiber cloth and then gently wipe it over the surface of your device. Make sure to cover all areas, and within minutes, your device will be protected by a powerful nano coating. Here you can see the difference it makes. On the left, we have a phone without Nano Defense Pro, and on the right, one that's been treated. Notice how the treated device repels water and looks cleaner? That's the magic of nanotechnology at work. But you might be wondering, how long does this protection last? According to the manufacturer, a single application of Nano Defense Pro can last up to 12 months. Of course, this depends on how frequently you use and handle your device, but generally, it provides long-lasting protection. Let's do a quick scratch test to see how well it holds up. I've got a set of keys here, and I'll try to scratch the surface of this treated phone. As you can see, no scratches. It's pretty impressive, right? So, who is Nano Defense Pro for? If you're someone who wants to keep your gadgets looking pristine and well-protected from daily wear and tear, this product is definitely worth considering. It's easy to apply, effective, and long-lasting. You can find Nano Defense Pro online or at select retail stores. And right now, we have a special offer just for our viewers. Click the link in the description below to buy Nano Defense Pro and get an exclusive discount. Don't wait until your device is scratched or damaged. Protect it today with Nano Defense Pro. Click the link below and make your purchase now. Trust me, your devices will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay protected and stay tech savvy.